What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Sam610. So in this video, we're going to talk about why I would unsubscribe to maybe your channel, or why would I unsubscribe to anyone's channel. But before we get into that, I would appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button to be notified on any of my new videos. It's very important, guys, and I really would appreciate it. So back to this video, why I would want to subscribe from anybody's YouTube channel, or possibly yours, if I come across your channel and I hit the subscribe button, and then later on down the road I decide I want to hit the unsubscribe button. Well, one of my main reasons I would want to unsubscribe to either your channel or anyone else's channel that I subscribe to is because of pure ignorance. And I'm only saying that because I see a lot of people, get people to come over to their channel. They start a rhythm. They start into, getting into a groove where they're getting people to subscribe. They're getting people to, view their content. They're posting actively in the community. They're, posting thank you videos, or they're posting anything to please anybody that comes over to their channel. And I appreciate everybody's hard work, as well as I hope everybody appreciates the hard work that I do. But one of the things I absolutely can't stand is when I subscribe to your channel because you might ask me to. I might come over and I'll check out your content, and I'll drop a comment. I'll give you a like. I may even recommend you, to another YouTuber. I may even give you a shout out if I think you're that worthy of giving you a shout out. And I don't mind helping other people. That's the whole point of having a community, whether you post in your community or where, in my case, I don't have a community base because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. By the way, hit subscribe. I really would appreciate it. I'm going to say it again. Well, back to what I was saying. I come over, I hit the subscribe button, I do all those things, and, I'll give you a generous comment. You'll come over to my channel. You may check out my channel. You might give me a like on one of my videos. You may even drop me a comment, which I really do appreciate if you do. But one of the things I've noticed, a lot of people, they try and be funny in their channel, and I appreciate that. But there's a point where I think that somebody might not be funny, which might cause me to unsubscribe. And one of those things where I was watching a YouTuber that, was creating a video. I'm not going to say his name. By the way, if you're watching, yes, I did unsubscribe to you because I didn't agree with, the little joke that you did, and I really didn't appreciate it. But, one of the things that made me hit the unsubscribe button is because you might joke about somebody's race and you might think it's funny, but if somebody else is watching that video, they might not appreciate it, whether you're kidding or not. It's not cool, and it's not something you want to do on YouTube. I mean, would I want my 9-year-old daughter or my 6-year-old son see something like that where somebody's kidding around about somebody else's race and they make a joke about it? I don't think that's cool at all. I wouldn't do that on, on a camera, and my kids wouldn't do that on the camera, and it bothers me when I see other people do that on camera, and it's just something I'm not going to tolerate. So, I don't mind humor, and, I'm not saying people can't have humor, but those type of things, for me to be subscribed to your channel, I absolutely will not tolerate. And I think it's very unacceptable. And I wanted to shoot this video to share that with my audience and any other YouTuber, or any other creator that wants to come over and check out my channel. It's not just about, getting likes, subscribers, and getting comments from people. It's about being respectful to others that come over to your channel. And I know a lot of people are trying to do things to get people to come over, but if you want my attention, you're not going to be able to do stuff like that, because I will just click off your video. I will give you thumbs down on most of your videos, and I will hit the unsubscribe button, because I cannot tolerate pure ignorance with anybody. Whether you're a veteran creator, a new creator on this platform, it's just not acceptable. Like I said, I won't do that on my channel, and I don't expect people to do that on their channel. That I spend my time watching, about 15 to 20 of your videos, and that one video just makes me want to unsubscribe. And I do that. I unsubscribe because Why would I want to watch more of your videos if I feel you're going to be, doing something that I don't agree with? And of course, yes, everybody has the right to unsubscribe. Everybody has the right, to give you a thumbs down on any of your videos, and I get that. And that's why the thumbs down button's there. That's why, you can hit the unsubscribe button. Nothing's etched in stone. You can unsubscribe if you don't like somebody's videos. And if it gets to be a point where you need to block them, you can block them so they can't come back to your channel. Of course, that's simple. All they have to do is go, create a fake account, come back, and then they can just, give you thumbs down, and God knows what kind of comments they can leave you. But again, guys, I appreciate everything everybody does for me, all of my subscribers, and, I love watching other creators create videos, but if you're just going to do something that's going to be ignorant, I have the right to hit the unsubscribe button. I have the right to give you the thumbs down button, just like you have the right to do that to me. So that's where I'm going to leave this video, guys. I really didn't want to shoot this video, but this is what's going to cause me to unsubscribe to anybody's channel, just being ignorant on camera, whether you're joking or not. Some of the things that people may take, seriously can actually offend them. And me watching this particular creator, I felt very offended by the joke that, just a stupid racial comment that I really didn't appreciate. And I understand that everybody works hard on this platform to be the best that they can be, but that stuff will absolutely not be tolerated by me. And of course, I'm just not going to watch your video. Well, this is where I'm going to leave this video, guys. If you found any value to this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.